sometimes students, sometimes people contact me because they want to learn Nei Qi Gong and they are surprised that it's not a weekly class to attend. And first of all, the Nei Qi Gong is taught through seminars. In my case, I teach the first 9 seminars online because I mainly teach to students worldwide. That has been my job for the past few years. So we learned actually these programs through online events, classes that are done on Zoom, which are just one-off event to learn one practice. What I mean is that, for instance, in the 9 basic programs, we have 9 different practices. You attend one seminar, online seminar, to learn level 1, so the first practice. During the seminar, in this case 3.5 hours, you learn the whole practice, you learn how to do the exercises, I correct your postures, I correct what it is needs to be improved, give you the study material. You are supported by myself during your practice at home if you have questions, doubts, experiences. But there's no such thing like we see every week. We see each other every week and we practice together. And sometimes people are surprised by this because they maybe are used to other kind of qigongs where they attend weekly classes either in presence or online. And the issue is that they usually practice only during those classes. Now, the thing is this, because Nei Qi Gong is a very serious system, like probably many others, but it has a very high goal in this sense. Our goal is not just to be healthy. This is like a foundational, let's say, achievement needed to be able to do something else, which is what we are interested in. So the responsibility of the Nei Qi Gong practice is down to the practitioner, which means you learn the practice through an online event or in presence, whatever it is going to be the case. Then you practice daily and you are responsible for it. Why? Because if you will just attend, let's say, a weekly class, what's going to happen is that we just practice only during those classes. And that will be a shame, and because the Nei Qi Gong is really capable of great achievement beyond our health. So for that is required a daily commitment. And so it means a good level of responsibility on the practitioner side. If that is not there, it's kind of a waste of time, even money, to learn the Nei Qi Gong practices, because for sure you're gonna improve your health and everything, but it is such a shame that you won't be able to accomplish what this amazing practice is capable to do. So the reason why we don't teach Shifu in the beginning decide and design the path in a way that is not structured in weekly classes, it's because of this. Because the practice has a great potential, and only if we are responsible and consistent and practice every day, we are able to get to that level. It's a difficult job to do, especially in the beginning when we start out. It requires a little push on our side. Some kind of consistency in the beginning is needed. It's not an easy job because not every day we feel like practicing, but we have to force ourselves in the beginning. But when we start to reap the benefit, which we don't have to wait that long, honestly, even after a week or less sometimes, or a few weeks, we can really see that these practices are very powerful. Then when we start to have the first sensations, then there's no need for that kind of push on our end, because we start to be satisfied by the practice. We see actually that it's bringing results, and so it's not going to be difficult to keep it on. So the necessary, let's say, commitment in one sense, effort, so to speak, it's just in the beginning. Then once we see that it works, and we start to have different sensations, and things become very interesting, it's just become it's just gonna become part of our life, like eating and sleeping. You always want to do that. So if you have any question, or if you wish to attend the online classes that I do, you can visit the website, you can sign up for the free exercises, or if you know all these things, you can just go on the box office and see the upcoming classes for this month and what follows. Okay? Have a good day. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Again, this video belongs to the Nei Qi Kung Fu series, a series of videos that aim to clarify what Nei Qi Gong is about. You find a playlist on the YouTube channel called the Nei Qi Kung Fu School, I think, and you have articles and videos on my blogs. Have a good day.